Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales. Let's take a look at this 2013 Formula 40 Cruiser. Striking dark metallic blue hull, all part of the signature Ralph Lauren designer package. Sleek styling, factory hardtop. Powered by Volvo 500 IPS pod drives, make handling a breeze. Let's go down and take a little closer look. This boat shows, looks, feels, and smells brand new. Only 200 hours of use. Extended swim platform with synthetic no-maintenance teak. Enter the cockpit through the transom door, fully carpeted. Huge starboard side L-shaped lounge keeps things sociable. Port side is a refrigerator and a sink. Great view aft under the hardtop. Hardtop has hatches for light and ventilation. Full command center with Raymarine electronics, autopilot, pod controls, and digital shift and throttles. Let's go down below and take a little closer look at the interior. Again, Ralph Lauren designer is evident here with the light wood interior. Oversized wraparound settee dinette with bar stools. Forward with a enclosed bulkhead is the master stateroom with a centerline queen berth, TV of course, plenty of storage and hanging locker space, all hardwood flooring throughout. Moving aft to the mid stateroom, which converts to a lounge. Let's go back up and take another look. The machinery room can be accessed through the cockpit for quick checks, but the press of a button opens up the huge trunk to give unlimited access to the Volvo diesel engines. One more look underway. Again, Volvo IPS joystick piloting takes the pucker out of parking. Be sure to visit our website, www.offshoreyachtsales.com, for the full specs. I'm Captain Ed. Thanks for watching.